This is a percent mixture problem. So the questions we talked about yesterday were mixture problems with a cost per pound. This time you're going to have a percent and the amount. So kind of set up the same way though. So let's read it first. It's about fruit punch. Mrs. Matthews has 16 cups of punch that is 3% pineapple juice. She also has a punch that's 33% pineapple juice. How many cups of the 33% punch will she need to add to the 3% punch to obtain a punch that is 20% pineapple juice? So we have 3% here. We have the 3%, the 33%, and then our mixture is 20%. So first thing we need to do is change all those percents to its decimal form. So remember, you could always take your percent and divide it by 100, or move the decimal 2 spots to the left. So 3% as a decimal is 0.03, 33% is 0.33, and 20% is 0.20. So those are our percents in decimal form. We're going to multiply each one of those by the amount. So it talks about having 16 cups of the 3%. So that's the amount here, plus. It says how many cups of the 33%. So I don't know. So we can say X equals. Now remember, this is a combination of the two amounts together. So this is 16 plus X. And then we're just going to simplify this equation and solve for X. So these two equals 0.48 plus 0.33x. And on this side you have to distribute, and it becomes 3.2 plus 0.2x. Now it's an equation with variables on both sides, so you can start this in 4 separate ways. I'm going to start by subtracting 0.2x from both sides. You get 0.48 plus 0.13x is equal to 3.2. Then you have to get your numbers to the same side, so subtract this decimal. And you get 0.13x is equal to 2.72. Divide both sides by 1300ths. And you get x is approximately, to round it to the 100th, 20.92. So always go back and reread the question. How many cups of the 33% punch will she need to add? Our answer is 20.92 cups of 33% punch. All right, we have one more example here to go over. A lab technician has 40 gallons of a 15% iodine solution. How many gallons of the 40% iodine solution must he add to make a 20% iodine solution? So again, we're going to change all 3 decimals or percents to decimals. And then look for the weights. So 40 gallons goes with the 15%. I don't know how many of the 40% I need, so that's X. And the combined one is 40 plus X. So this becomes 6 plus 0.4x or 0.40x equals, distribute again over here, and you get 8 plus 0.2x. Variables on both sides again, you can start in 4 different ways. I'm going to choose to subtract 6 first. After that, I need to get my x's to one side, so you're going to subtract 0.20x from both sides. And then divide by 0.2. and you get X is 10. So again, go back up and reread what it's asking for. How many gallons of the 40% iodine solution must he add? Your answer is 10 gallons of 40% iodine solution.